Subaru Sambar interior door handle removal. I saw a post about using a towel or a t-shirt or something, and I thought, well, that sounds like a bunch of crap. Here is what the clip looks like. If you're a Chevy guy, it might look familiar. So you just push it in between the plastic ring, this, and the handle. Push up. You gotta find the sweet spot, of course. And like that on the side. And then just wiggle it around till you can get the clip lifted and then pull the handle off. That's it. I think this was like $5 at the local auto parts store in the help section. There's, like I said, that t-shirt method. You gotta like shove it in here and wiggle it around to like lift this up, which, you know, if that works, I guess, but this took seconds. You can see, not perfect, but darn close, right? Anyways, hope this helps. And then to get the door panel off, use another tool from the help section. That way you can pop it and it's wide and will distribute the load and not tear your cardboard. And then it just comes off.